baby girl. Can you smile? Can you say cheese? Hi, Zella. Hi, Zella. Zella. Hi. Can you smile for Mama? Can you smile for me? Hi. Hi, honey. How are you? How are you? Are you good? Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Oh, is Lulu barking? Yes, she is. Lulu's barking. Oh, goodness. Hello. Oh, hi. Hello. There's a smile. Can you smile? Give her Mama. Let's see that pretty face. Hello. Hello. How are you? Lulu. Lulu. Knock it off. Hi. Hi, Miss Zella. How are you, honey? Oh, how are you? Are you good? Hi, sweet pea. What's shaking? Huh? Can you smile for Mama? Can you talk to me like you were earlier? Can we have a conversation? Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, what is this, huh? What's this camera doing in your face? Oh, I wonder what it is. Hi. Hi, Zella. Hi, honey. Can you smile for me? Give Mama a smile. Zella. Hello. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello. Oh, look at those pretty blue eyes. Oh, you're so beautiful. Here, let's pause it. Maybe. Okay, well, that's better. Okie dokie. Hello, Zella. Hi. Here, scooch down a little. There you go. Hello. Hi, Zella. Can you smile for Mama? Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you, sweet girl? Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, no. No. What? What? Oh. Hi, Zella.